Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we tap to it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, with settings at the last position, so let's open them. Here at the first page we have now watermarks, so let's pick it. And from the right we can easily turn them on and off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. As you can see, we have short preview how watermarks looks like, and we can manage the author name, watermark information, size of our watermark and watermark position. So let me start with author name. Here we can add our own watermark. For example, let me write here HardReset. From the right we can save it, and here in the preview it appears also. Now let's move to watermark information. Here we can decide what is turned on or what is turned off. So for example, we can leave it like that with device model and location. We can turn off location or turn off device model. The only require here is that we have to select at least one of them. Now let me keep turned on all of them to show you how it works and looks like at the picture, and let's move to size. We can pick between small, default and large. So let's stay on large and move to watermark position. Here we can change it from upper left to lower left, then center, upper right and lower right. Now let me stay for example on center and let me keep turned on all of the settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a photo to see how they look like at the real one. To see my photo, let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how it looks like with watermarks at the center. We can of course get closer to them. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition, we have to move back to camera, then to right corner settings, watermarks, and manage them as we need, or just turn them off here from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.